Guys, in this video we will see how to disable or remove login password on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to remove or disable login password, then here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type NETPLWIZ. Click on OK. It will open user accounts windows. Here user accounts window will open. Here under users for this account, choose the type which you want to remove your login password, and we will choose guest and uncheck the option just with above. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck this option. If this option is not available here, then you can accounts and sign in option, and a pop-up window will appear, automatically sign in. You can set up your account so that users do not have to type a username and password to sign in. To do this, specify a user that will be automatically signed in below. Set a username and password for your reference. Enter here for next time, and finally confirm your password and click OK. Your guest user accounts will now open automatically without login, without sign in and password. Click on OK. Finally, click on OK to save the changes. Now we will see how to remove a password for a local account. Go to settings. From the left side, go to accounts. Here scroll down and under ways sign in option, click on sign in option, and ways to sign in, choose the sign in method which you have currently used, you are using. In this PC I am using pin, so click on pin option and remove this sign in option, choose remove. Finally, are you sure you want to remove your pin? Having a pin makes it easier to sign in. Finally, click on remove. This option will applicable for local user account. Now we will see how to remove login password for your Microsoft account. Again, right click on the start button, choose settings and click on accounts from the left side. Thereafter go to right side, scroll down and click on your info. Here scroll down and click on sign in with a local account instead. If you still want to continue, click on next. Here use your current pin. The page will change, and here leave blank all this page. New password, confirmed password, password hint, all sections should be left blank. No any password, new password or confirm password or password hint required to be entered here. Simply click on next. And finally click on next. And finally you are almost done. Make sure you save your work before you sign out. Click on sign out and finish. Your Microsoft account will successfully removed.